Hello collectors, here we are again stepping into the urban jungle with a true workhorse of Brazilian public transportation, the Mercedes-Benz O355. And to make it more special, we have this beautiful miniature from BrClassics representing Viação, Cidade do Aço, a company that's practically part of the history of Volta Redonda, a medium-sized city in the state of Rio de Janeiro. This Cidade do Aço, you can read it here, Cidade do Aço. It means city of steel. It was very linked to the Brazilian National Siderurgy Company. It was a very strong company in the last century. And the main routes for this company were on the cities of Volta Redonda, Rio de Janeiro, Barra Mansa, Resende. This model here is from Volta Redonda to Rio de Janeiro. It's a 172 scale. I think this is one of the most beautiful paintings BrClassics have released so far. It's a very unique painting, right? It rolls well, it has rubber tires. It's very well detailed. Check the inside. The buses in Brazil, I don't know since when, but they have toilets inside them. But on these models, back from these days, they didn't have. They were simpler. The Mercedes O355 may be gone from many fleets, but thanks to BrClassics and collectors like you, its memory keep rolling. If you enjoyed this trip, hit the like button and subscribe. Comments are welcome too. There's much more coming from the Brazilian roads. Bye!